Why are you showing the light at me?
Video.
Hi. Right. That's a hiccup.
Oh my god. Oh, like, what the heck was that? Me.
What if I pour that water on you?
Why?
I don't know.
We're watching. We're watching Zach and
Granny Panties. Granny Panties. Granny Panties. Ew. Who would ever wear those? You know what? Ew, you'd wear Granny Panties.
No!
Shut up! I'll slap you. Ew, like Granny Panties. She is weird. Hi.
Oh my god!
Granny
It's so
Panties.
gross.
Ew, Ew, that reminded me
Ew,
of what
what was
happened
that?
today.
Excuse me. You guys have ever seen Zach and Mary make a porno? Pretty funny.
It shows that.
Natural.
We're putting this on YouTube, right?
Of course.
We have to tell them about we're making a show. We're making a show, you guys.
Yeah, so post some comments and give us a name.
And yeah, make a name for our show that we're gonna be making. So think of some stuff and tell us what it should be, and give us some ideas. And yeah. And
Hiccups.
I forgot what I was gonna say. Shut up, that gets annoying. Anyways, look at her outfit. Anyways, what was I gonna say? You made me forget.
Bright.
I know.
I think that I should do it like on your face. Your hair's my face. I'm gonna puke on your hair. Did you see what you just said?
No.
This is what do you think of vibrators? It's a little machine.
My head's a mess right now. Not great. Okay, it's like
10:46. We're very loud. Family's sleeping.
And what if I went to school like this? Do you guys talk to me?
Oh, that's like that.
Bad. No, like this, ready? What if I went to school like this? Hey, how you doing? Yeah, okay. Anyways, I never go to school like that.
I do it just
I wouldn't. I'd look horrible.
a second. How long is this video? 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Yeah. Peace out.